Hi, I'm Piyush. I'm part of the sales team at Locus. I've been with the company for the past 5 years, and I was the first sales guy to join after our Chief Business Officer, who's Krishna Khandelwal. Started with selling to enterprises and startups across FMCG, retail, e-commerce and services. Expanded our offerings geographically to Southeast Asia, Middle East, Europe and North America later on. Right now I'm leading P&L and business for India, Middle East, Africa and ANZ regions. Right from the first day, what I've really liked about Locus is the fact that everyone is very curious about everything. Everyone values innovation, and curiosity always drives innovation. And as a team, we are a very well-led, tight group of people who respect each other's space, respect each other's intelligence, and respect what each of us brings to the table. So, right from the first day, I've been learning a lot. To today, which is 5 years henceforth, I'm still learning newer things from newer people. Whenever you stop and talk to someone, there is a new thing you learn about logistics, about supply chain, about their experience. It adds value to your life, it adds value to your work, and it helps you perform better as a person, as an employee at Locus. And as an employee at Locus itself, you get a lot of accountability and ownership towards what you're doing. You can drive a lot of initiatives. You can pick up projects as long as it is contributing to Locus, the long-term vision. The thing about working at Locus is that you really value the time you spend with your team. The team comes from different walks of life. Some of them are from logistics and supply chain, some of them are from technology, some of them come from consulting backgrounds, different walks of life, different experiences. You learn a lot while working with them. All of us are very ambitious at Locus. We are constantly learning, we are constantly evolving. Our choices in terms of a career have evolved while working at Locus. Some engineers started with back-end, moved to front-end, moved to app development. I started with sales with startups, moved to enterprise selling, moved to cross-geography selling. So Locus gives you that option to learn and evolve, and as a company has been very supportive towards the employees, towards their career paths. Locus takes an active interest towards developing your career, and they take an active interest towards making a career path for you. Job profiles or job descriptions, they will let you take accountability and ownership and own up roles that are far beyond the job description that was given to you, and to really cause a dent in the universe. Locus ensures that any personal aspects of your life don't hinder your work. We have a full stocked fridge, we have great catering at office, and as a personal example, I got a dog 2 years back, and it was a huge decision to take to get a dog. And Locus took away that entire stress, entire tension, because it is a pet friendly office as well. I could get Bucky to the office along with me. He used to chill upstairs with the other dogs. I used to work downstairs. So Locus takes away any sort of personal stress or tensions that you have, takes care of that so that you can contribute towards your work in the most effective and efficient way.